She's gonna miss all the action.
Looks like Candace made it after all. Looking good, Candace.
I got a motorized nag taking me for a drag. Leave the others far behind. Baby, I ain't bragging, my anachronistic wagon's 2 millennia ahead of its time. Talking about my chariot. No, it's not street legal, but it gets me where I wanna go. Climb aboard my chariot. When they hear me coming rumbling, and everybody wants to know where you get that chariot. I don't need no oracle to tell me how good it feels to throw a full-tilt Coliseum, kill a toga party on wheels.
Remind me, why did we put spikes on Bubert's chariot?
Reckless endangerment, disrupting traffic. Ew, they are so busted.
And a bowling ball catapult? I mean, what were we thinking?
Hey, get back on your own chariot.
Power and 2 big wheels of fun. Climb aboard my chariot. You can be my second, 'cause I'm gladiator #1. Get a load of my chariot. Always going for the throttle. Ask anybody and they'll say, if you see me coming, then you better get out of my way.
We should be coming up on Paul Bunyan.